channel. I know it's been a while since I uploaded anything to my channel. I've been pretty busy at work. I work retail. I manage a retail store, and the holidays are pretty busy for us. But I did want to bring this video up because it's a very windy day, and I do commute about 100 miles round trip from my house to work. And this is what it feels like to drive a Jeep on a windy day. I mean, if you own a Jeep, you know what I'm talking about. I do. This is a 2021 Jeep Gladiator. It's a hefty truck. I mean, it's not light by any means, but the wind just tosses this thing around like there's no tomorrow. Mainly because it's a brake on wheels. I average around 18, high 18 miles per gallon, sometimes 19. Oh look, another Gladiator. That's nice. But today on this windy day with 35s and a 3.5 inch lift, this is what I'm seeing. 14.6. I mean, I barely get out of 6th gear. I'm usually manual overpass, and the way it hits, and it goes on to 4th. Now I haven't seen 7th gear today, let alone 8th gear. But I mean, if you buy these things, you're not too worried about miles per gallon. Which honestly, this is why I got the Jeep, because of the mileage. I had a Silverado before, and that thing was getting like 7 miles per gallon. But besides the miles per gallon, there's other things, nuances. If you own a Jeep, you have to get ready for them. It's not just about the miles per gallon, which are horrible right now. I mean, right now I'm about to get pushed a little bit by the wind. But the winds right now are like 26, 27 miles coming from the north, and I'm traveling north. Oh, well, right now south, but I'm about to go northwest right now. And it's pretty windy. One of the nice things about the Jeeps, I really like it, is the removable top. No, I do not have the insulated. I just have a hard top. But it is noisy as hell. And I mean, it is technically a convertible, but the wind just comes in from everywhere. You can, I mean, it's not coming in, but you can feel how it holds the truck back. The hood is another thing. I mean, they've been making Jeeps for years now, like half a decade maybe, and they still can't figure out how to keep that hood from moving. And this is a 2021. And that hood looks like it's about to come off. If you guys know any aftermarket locks or anything that keeps it more secure, just let me know in the comments, because that drives me crazy. I had a incident on one of my old cars where I was working on my car. I put down the hood, I didn't latch it correctly, and it ended up flying off on me when I went to test drive the car after I had done my fixing on it. I had glass all over me for a good while. It's not a fun experience. So anytime I see a hood shaking, yeah, I get little flashbacks of that. It's not too bad, but man, I wish I could have done better. Traffic is kind of heavy, so that should help out a little bit. But still, again, 6th gear, overpass coming up, trying to maintain speed. There it goes to 5th. No 4th this time, so that's a good thing. So I have more content coming up, guys. This next couple of months are really slow for us. Like January is dead. So I should have some more stuff coming out, either Jeep content. I'm trying to get back on my bikes. I did go out yesterday, and oh my god, I can tell. I didn't know how bad it was, but I couldn't even do half a lap of what I usually do. So I'm gonna try to get back on the horse, if you will. But we're up to 285 subscribers, guys. So if you subscribe, thank you. leave a like. It really helps out the channel. Subscribing doesn't hurt. Just click subscribe. Maybe I'll put up something. I mean, you watch one of my videos and subscribe. Maybe I'll put something else you might like later on. But for those that are subscribed, thank you so much, guys. I really appreciate it. That's a nice rat here. I will never get one though, or the new Broncos. I went to see one in person. They're really nice looking, but I don't know if it's enough to get me off my Gladiator. Not yet, especially with those markup prices. But those Raptors, they're really nice. I've been ducked quite a bit. I have more ducks, but I took them off my dash because there was too many. But thank you for you guys leaving that stuff here. Well, I'm just rambling on now, so thank you guys for watching. I might get back to driving. I know driving and recording is not that good, but I'll see you on the next one. And